Have you ever wondered why a school is more than just a structure of bricks and walls? Why it holds such a significant place in a child's life? Imagine school as a grand tapestry woven with vibrant threads of knowledge, skills, emotions, and experiences. Each thread distinct, yet collectively creating a beautiful and intricate design. This tapestry is not a mere decorative piece, but a formidable armor, preparing children for their future life journey. School, at its core, is a sanctuary of learning. It is here that the seeds of knowledge are sown, sprouting into saplings of wisdom. However, the vision of school extends beyond the mere transfer of information. It is an arena where children learn to think critically, solve problems, work collaboratively, and apply their knowledge practically. The academic curriculum is intertwined with the curriculum of life, nurturing self-regulation skills, emotional intelligence, and social competence. Yet the vision of school is not merely academic, it is a haven where every child feels accepted, valued, and cherished. It is a community that appreciates diversity, encourages tolerance, and fosters mutual respect. This environment cultivates self-esteem and confidence in each student, helping them recognize their strengths and carve out their unique place in society. For this vision to come alive, it requires the active participation of every member of the educational ensemble: the teachers, the parents, and the students. Teachers transform from mere knowledge transmitters to mentors, inspiring and supporting their students. Parents play an equally important role, bolstering learning and actively participating in the educational process. In conclusion, the vision of a school is a place where each child has the opportunity to realize their potential, to grow as individuals, and to face their future with optimism and confidence. It is not merely a place of learning, but a source of inspiration where students can discover their passions and evolve into active, responsible members of society. So, the next time you pass by a school, remember, it's not just a building, it's a lighthouse guiding the future generations. It's a garden nurturing the seeds of tomorrow. It's a tapestry weaving the future of the world.